Hey guys, welcome to or back to my channel. I am Draco, aka Am I Real? Today we're gonna be making some slime because apparently on TikTok we're back in 2016. So let's make some slime. So we got a cup, just a plastic cup that I can just throw away after this. We have glue. We have the magical liquid. And then we also somewhere we have something to mix it. I'm just using a plastic fork. So I'm gonna angle it like this so you can kind of see what I'm doing, because I unfortunately don't have like a thing. So what we're going to be doing first is adding the glue. That's just regular school glue. I think it was like 50 cents at the Walmart. Take the fork out. We're just going to be trying to get all of that out. Oh my god, my nails look so bad right now. Damn, this thing got a lot of glue. It's still draining. How much glue this thing got? They just keep coming, damn. Alright, we're just gonna have to stop it. Alright, whatever that's in there. Oh my god, there's more. The fuck you mean there's more? Okay. We're just gonna stop it. It was 50 cents. There's not a lot of glue in there still. So that's when we are simply just gonna put this to the side for now so I can throw that out later. Next we have our magical liquid. This thing actually has measurements like on the side. I don't know if you can see, but it kind of shows you how much to pour in. It's currently half full, so I gotta pour that much in. I'll show you what I mean. I'm currently, well, it's like angled so you can't really see, but right here is where it is. I'm gonna bring it down to here, to that line. It might look like a lot, but it's not. And I'm also gonna do it in increments and then mix in between. That's about half of it. And we're gonna mix that up. As you can see, it's already turning into slime. Like, it's not slime completely yet, but it's already turning into it. Alright, now that that's nice and mixed up, we're gonna pour in some more. Alright, that's like half of the half that was left. Also, this is a warning to anybody that is like watching this to learn how to make this or something. If you don't like gooey things like wet and cold in your hand, you're not gonna like this. It's just, I don't know why. Alright, let me pour the rest in. That should be about it. So now that that's closed, it's like around here now. It's a little above, but you know. Also, this thing, this Elmer's glue magical liquid was like $10. And it makes 4. Yeah, it makes 4. But I think it only works with Elmer's glue. I'm not actually sure. So as you can see, this thing is kind of gluey still. It's also not very stretchy. Maybe it is. Yeah, it is stretchy. I'm low-key scared to dig in there with my hands. because this is not at all going to be okay. Maybe I should add a little bit of lotion. Actually, I don't think I have any. Yeah, I don't believe I have any here. So, we're just gonna... Yeah, as you can see, it's like already sticking to my hands. I'm gonna add just a splash more. That might be too much, to be honest, but you know what? We just fuck it, we ball, you know? Alright, that's gonna go to the side. Just gotta... Yeah, that's done. That has to be done. Yeah, it's just like really wet. I don't like that feeling at all. And it's like cold. So it's just like cold and wet. But as you can see, here's the texture. It's like actual slime. Now, one thing I don't usually do, but I kind of want to, is... If I can find it, here we are. I'm gonna add a marker. Let's do... My favorite color is purple, so we'll make it purple. Alright. So basically the trick with this is that you see like this part in the back, like not the front, but the back. You can pop this off to squeeze the ink out, or you can poke it with the actual marker. I'm just gonna off the camera so I don't end up getting demonetized. It doesn't seem to want to come off. It ain't coming off, bro. Wait, I was doing the wrong marker. I'm using my teeth. Don't use your teeth. But you should probably use either scissors or pliers or something. But I don't have that on me. And this is like kind of working. It hurts though. But you know, we just gotta do it. This is gonna be a minute. Let me see if I have scissors next to my bed. Okay, I'm back and I do have a knife. I don't know if I could show it, but I'm going to anyway. I just have this, like a pocket knife. I'm gonna try to get it off with this. I almost just stabbed myself. It's just breaking it. Alright, let's just try it the other way, I guess. I didn't want to do it this way, but I guess we have to now. Which is basically just like, assuming it'll stay, yeah. You kind of just draw on it. You just gonna have a little doodle. It's kind of the fun with it, but also, like, look how wet it made the front of the marker. Because this is not a good texture at all. But now I gotta mix it in and probably add more. Damn. I mean, that's the color, but I'm gonna try to take this piece out. It makes my hands excessively wet, and I don't know if I like that. Like, it's like sticking to my finger. So now I'm gonna just use the back part. And then I'm gonna put some more of the marker. I do have it facing away from the camera just for a second. Yeah, the marker kind of lost its effectiveness. So we're just gonna hope that this is good enough. It gave it like a pretty tint. It's good enough, I guess. As much as I don't want to do this as well, I'm going to set the camera back up. It's not the same angle that it was, so it's whatever. Clear off where I'm sitting a little bit. And we are going to try to do this with my hands. Like, as you can see, it's like a really cool tint of purple. But like, it like sticks to my hands because it's not good. I highly recommend contact solution instead of this, but it's just what I have. Because I don't wear contacts, so I have no reason to get that solution. So, it's sticking to my hands a lot, but my hands will get used to it in a minute. It turns out pink, actually. I don't know if you can really see it on the camera, but it's like really pink, which I don't totally hate. Listen to like the sounds it's making. Like, listen. Like, it sounds wet almost. I'm also just trying to not get this everywhere. But it's like my hands are not getting used to this as quickly as I thought they would. And you can add shaving cream and or lotion. Especially like a scented lotion is good because you can like make it smell however you want. And also it'll probably make your hands soft as you do it. But I mean, we got slime. So it's better than nothing. And I'm going to attempt to get the rest out because this is not all of it. Not nearly all of it. So we're just gonna this is all just white. Oh god, it's everywhere. It's going everywhere. It's going everywhere. It's going everywhere. It's everywhere. Oh god. This is a mistake. This is a mistake. This is a mistake. Crap. Okay. You can't even see this. It's on my mic. It's on my keyboard. Damn it. That's what. Oh, it's on my clothes too. Alright. We gotta. Oh, this is a failure. Oh, fuck. I don't want to do this anymore. Okay. This isn't good. I'm gonna try to get it off my hands. Also, quick tip, if it's stuck on your hands, literally just rub it. Oh, that's like everywhere on my mic. Damn it. I was hoping it wasn't gonna do that. Alright, we're gonna consider this one half of a fail. Because it kind of got everything messy. But that was on my end. But that is how you make slime, for anybody that didn't know. So I'm gonna go get this off of my hands now and probably even throw it out. Um, and before y'all hate on me for that, I had the glue laying around my house for about since at least September, and it's January now. So I'm gonna go do that. Also, I may not be able to record anything anytime soon because I'm gonna be in a winter storm and it's gonna be snowing, and I'll be kind of busy. So we'll figure that out. But I have auto posting on from my TikTok, which is tagged in my YouTube actually, like in the description of my channel. So y'all should check that out. But I don't actually post my shorts. I post whatever I have on TikTok automatically posts in a random order. So, I just let it go. Anyways, hi, I'm Am I Real, and this is a goodbye. Peace. That's where it was supposed to stop.